In order to turn on parental controls on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to settings, scroll all the way down and choose additional settings. Next, over here we can scroll down again to go to parental controls, and then here we need to agree to privacy statement. We need to press turn on. First we need to create the password, so we can use the lines. We can draw the pattern in order to set it up as a password, or we can change the password type over here to a pin code or password. And I'm gonna actually use a pin code for this. I'm gonna use a simple one. Press next, enter it again, and press next again. So we will need to, well, we have the option to add email to be able to reset the password in case we forget it. But we don't have to set it up really. If you want to, just provide the email address and enter the code, which will be sent to your email after you press the get code. So first you press the get code button, wait for the code and enter it over here. I'm just gonna press not now as I don't want to do this. Now we need to select apps that we want to manage. Of course we can uncheck apps that we don't want to manage. So let's say for this video I'm gonna stick only with YouTube. So YouTube is the only app that I want to manage, and let's press done. Of course, over here we can still decide which apps should be included and which should be not included. So as you can see, we need to verify our password in order to access managed apps. We can also tap over here in the top right corner to see settings, where we can change password, add email, and of course some other options. Alright, so now let's see how it looks like. Let's go to YouTube, and of course we need to enter the password. So this works pretty much the same as the app lock. Whether it is good or bad, then it's up to personal opinion. But as you can see, if I enter the password, then it just works. If I close the app and if I try to return, I still need to enter the password. And we can actually exit the app without any issues. So technically we can install apps that we want to use and set up the parental control password for them, so that other people, like our children, won't have access to it until actually they know the password, and leave apps without the password that we want our children to use. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!